Next is solve. See, there are 3 sub questions, I think so, for this. 4 sub questions. So we'll solve each one by one. What are the sub questions? So each sub question we'll see. X and y are in direct proportion and x equals to 40 when y equals to 120. If x equals to 60, then y equals to, similar problem to that of the earlier one. X and y direct. So x direct proportion y. So convert to equals, x equals to ky, k constant, right? Now two values are given, x 40, y 120. Therefore 40 equals to k into 120. So k equals to what? Bring 120 on the other side. 40 upon 120, 1 by 3. Therefore x equals to what? Instead of k, write 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into y, that is y by 3. Okay. Next, if x equals to 60, means 60 equals to y by 3. So y equals to 63 is 180. That is the value of y required. Next, x varies inversely as y. X equals to 12 when y equals to 300. If x equals to 24, then y equals to, here same problem, x varies inversely as y. X varies inversely 1 upon y. So convert it to equals to, x equals to k upon y, k constant. Now given the values, 12 equals to k upon 300. So k equals to, bring 300 on the other side, 3600, right? So x equals to 3600 upon y. So next is what? X equals to 24. So 24 equals to 3600 upon y. Y on the other side, 24 on the below 3600. So 3600 upon 2400, that is 150. Therefore y will be 150 if x equals to 24. Next, x varies directly as y. Y equals to 50 when x equals to 30. Then if x equals to 96, then y equals to, same problem, x directly y. So x directly y, x equals to ky, k constant. Now value is given, y 50, x 30. So 30 equals to k into 50. So k equals to, bring 50 on the other side, 30 by 50, 3 by 5. Therefore x equals to what? 3y upon 5, right? Instead of k, 3 upon 5. Okay. Next, x 96. So 96 equals to 3y upon 5. Keep y on one side, remaining everything on the other side. So 96 into 5 upon 3. So solve this, you will get 160. 3 1s are 3, 32s are. 32 into 5 is 160. Next, x varies inversely as y and y equals to 650 when x equals to 20. If x equals to 100, then y equals to, similar problem, x varies inversely, proportion sign 1 upon y. Inversely means 1 upon, okay. So x equals to k upon y, k constant. So that's why what? 20 and 650, y 650, x 20. 20 equals to k upon 650, right? So k equals to 650 into 20, 13,000. Okay, therefore x equals to what? 13,000 upon y. Now what given? X 100. So 100 equals to 13,000 upon y. Y on other side, 100 on the below 13,000. So it becomes 0 0 cancel, 130. Y equals to 130. That is the required value.